In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write off vehicle in TurboTax Self-Employed Actual Method V's standard mileage. Before you open TurboTax, start by gathering your vehicle records. You'll need your total business miles driven and your total miles for the year. Have your fuel receipts, insurance records, and any repairs and maintenance receipts handy, along with registration fees and, if applicable, vehicle loan interest. Keeping these in one place will make the process smoother and help you substantiate your deduction if it's ever questioned. Open TurboTax on your computer or launch TurboTax online in your browser and sign in. From the main menu, head to the Federal section, then choose Income and Expenses. Look for Self-Employment Income and Expenses, and select Review or Edit to get into your business details. Choose the specific business that used the vehicle. This is important if you have multiple sources of self-employment income because each business tracks its vehicle use separately. Next, go to Business Expenses. Find Vehicle Expenses and click Start or Edit. If you haven't begun your return yet, use the link in the description to access TurboTax and then follow these same steps once you're in. Now enter your vehicle information. Provide the vehicle's make and model, the date it was placed in service for your business, and your total business, commuting, and personal miles for the year. Remember, commuting miles, driving from home to your regular work location, aren't considered business miles. Accurate mileage records are key, so rely on a mileage log, trip app, or odometer notes if you have them. TurboTax will then ask how you want to calculate your deduction, the standard mileage method or the actual expense method. The standard mileage method uses a per-mile rate for your business miles and is often simpler. The actual expense method lets you deduct the business portion of your real costs. A quick tip: if you start with the standard mileage method in the first year the vehicle is placed in service, you can usually switch to actual later, starting with actual may limit switching back. Pick the method that gives you the best result and fits your record keeping. If you choose actual expenses, enter your costs for gas, oil, repairs, insurance, registration fees, and any lease payments. Provide depreciation information if you own the vehicle, such as cost and service date, so TurboTax can compute depreciation for the business use percentage. If you choose the standard mileage method, just confirm your mileage details and continue. Finally, review the vehicle deduction summary that TurboTax calculates for you, then proceed through the remaining filing steps. Double-check your entries, keep your records, and you're set. Thanks for watching.